Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Accessibility features. Then tap on one-handed mode and click on this gray sweater next to it to activate it. Lastly, follow all of those instructions. I have tricky navigation, so I have to slide my finger across the button of the screen. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back to the standard one, click on this dark area. In order to switch it off completely, tap on blue sweater next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!